Let's move on to the past simple of irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs, to which we add a suffix to make the past simple, the past simple forms of irregular verbs have to be learned by heart. This means that each irregular verb has a special past simple form: make, made, have, had, or go, went. And these are only some of the examples, because there are many more irregular verbs in the English language. The good thing is that the negative and the question form are made the same as for the regular verbs, with did and didn't, so at least that's easy. Let's look at a list of some irregular verbs in English and try to do some exercises. Be, was, were. Come, came. Have, had. Make, made. Do, did. Go, went. Stand, stood. Sing, sang. Eat, ate. Fall, fell. Take, took. Find, found. Get, got. Sell, sold. See, saw. Pay, paid. Run, ran. Say, said. Write, wrote. Read, read. Speak, spoke. Forget, forgot. Give, gave. Become, became. Know, knew. Tell, told. Keep, kept. Choose, chose. Begin, began. Fly, flew. Drink, drank. Drive, drove. Teach, taught. Send, sent. Leave, left. Feel, felt. Bring, brought.